All right, so we are looking at the zombie attack exponential activity, right? Again, this is going in as a project, right? So we should be working on this while we're in class, not taking it home. Should be finishing it and giving it to the sub. We are looking at how a disease is going to spread through a population if there were a zombie outbreak. Make sure that you are reading each question carefully. Just to kind of get you started, we can look at the first part together. Their objective was to turn the entire human race into zombies. Each zombie can turn 3 humans per day, but they're not sure how long it's going to take them to turn every human. Let's see. The original sleeper cell of zombies had 5 members, right? So after 0 days of them infecting people, they had 5 members. Each zombie can turn 3 humans per day. So each of these 5, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can get an additional 3 people to join their sleeper cell of zombies every single day. So that's just a multiplier of 3. All right, so if all 5 of them can get 3 additional people, they're going to have 15 after 1 day. Well, then what are they going to have after the next day? You're going to multiply by another 3. And then again, and we're looking about 10 days out. Once you hit X, you should be able to write an equation that models this. Explain carefully, right? When there is a word problem, right? What patterns of growth do you notice? Explain what you see, right? Don't just say it grows. We all know it grows. Tell me how much it's growing by. Tell me how you know this. Tell me what rate it's growing at, right? Give me some context here. Read the questions very carefully, right? Again, you're working with a group, so you should be able to do this. Later on in the problem, there is a group of scientists that are looking for an antidote for it. Within a few weeks, they were successful, but unfortunately, their antidote was only able to be successful 15% of the time. Make a table showing how many zombies were cured after 10 rounds of administering the antidote. So every day that goes past that they administer their antidote, it only has a 15% success rate. 15% success rate. So that doesn't mean that we just have 15% of this and we're good. Okay? It might be easier right away to think about what our equation is going to be. You look at how many you start. 6, is that trillion? 6 trillion. I know these numbers get pretty big, but 6 trillion, 700 or 975 million times whatever your multiplier is going to be. In this case, you need to think of it from your rate, right? You're starting at 1. It's only 15% successful, meaning that you're turning about 15% of people every day, meaning you're retaining about 85% of the zombies. So you have 0.85 as your multiplier, right? Thinking about this as your rate, that's 1 minus 0.15. There is your 15% at play, right? The number of zombies is being decreased by 15% every single day. Now, again, like I said, what patterns of decay do you notice? Don't just say it's getting smaller. Explain how much it's getting smaller. Explain what you see happening. And then again, very similar, answering a few of these questions. Work closely with your group members, right? Make sure that everyone is participating. I should not see or hear of any groups that are just copying down off one another and one person's leading the charge. Work together. I will see you guys all next class.